Hey guys, welcome to Nintendo. And today we're at Toys R Us. So yeah, I'm about to get this. My sister's over there. Yeah, yeah. And I'm getting this toy. Unfortunately, Sonic. So don't mind. I'm kidding. Way fast, dude. Dude. Oh no! Chocolate invaders. Okay. Ouch. I'm Supersonic. Just kidding. I'm just from Sonic Boom. And my name is Sonic. Yeah, Sonic Boom. Okay. There's Priscilla.
Isn't it funny if you came for a big crayon and she ends up coloring?
Yeah. Crying.
If you like to join us, we're having another event next Saturday. We're having a parade with Jeffrey, and we're also having a raffle for a bike.
Oh yeah, so Jeffrey's a giraffe, right? He'll be here?
Yeah, he'll be
Oh,
here
you're gonna
next
come see a
week.
giraffe?
Whoa.
And also we're having a Shopkins swap-ins. So if you have doubles, you can come and swap them with other little girls.
What do you mean?
Yeah, like the Shopkins, if you have doubles of them, you can come and trade them. That's the event we're having next
The
week.
shop what?
Shopkins. Yeah.
Oh.
They're like these. They're like those little ones. If you guys have any of them. We're also giving little gifts. So if you like to come.
Oh yeah, cool. Alright. What time does it start?
I believe it starts at 12. So I'm gonna go ahead and find out.
Alright.
Dun 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 dun.
It starts at 12, right?
Du, du, du. Ah.
Does Watson start at 4?
Yes, Sonic, I will get you. I will get you.
Yeah, we're having different events. They're starting from 10 to 3. So I mean, if you like to come anytime between them.
Alright, cool.
Ow. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that hurt. Dun, 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 dun. Wait, I almost noticed. I have bandages all over my shoes, and my legs, and my arms, and I have a thingy on my neck. So, spin jump. She's still chasing me. Oh, hello. I'm jumping. It's so high. Bullet. Ouch, doodles. That hurt. How am I gonna get there? How am I gonna get there? Think it up. Think. 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 Think.
Nice, you're done? Awesome, that looks so pretty. Do you want to take others to finish at home? Yeah, you can take different ones.
Dun da 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 da. I finished the level. Ouch. My face.
Thank you for
me
coloring
see it.
today.
Sonic the Hedgehog. Dun dun.
I like it. That's cute.
Like and subscribe for more. Bye bye.